These baby back ribs? Oh, honey, they're finger-licking amazing. How was my breakfast burrito? Today, baby back ribs. Watch till the end. First, remove that tough membrane blade. Trust me, it makes a difference. Mix all spices together. This dry rub is pure magic. Coat every inch generously. Get it in there good. Wrap tight and refrigerate overnight. 09. Patience equals perfection. Now for our homemade BBQ sauce. Ketchup, vinegar, sugar, honey. Add the rest, stir it up, and simmer low and slow. Simmer 15 minutes while it thickens beautifully. Good. Preheat to 275. Slow oven makes fall off bone ribs.
Bake 3 full hours. The hardest part is waiting.
Broil 5 minutes. Watch that sauce caramelize perfectly. Second sauce coat swat to double the flavor, double the love. Let them rest 10 minutes. This keeps all the juices inside. Slice right between the bones, so look how tender these are. Beautiful plating to saw. Add coleslaw, cornbread, and fresh parsley. Don't forget extra sauce on the side of it, because more is always better. Baby back ribs done. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, oven, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.